Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you unknown facts about K-pop ENHYPEN Band. On this channel we are going to upload interesting K-pop news every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest K-pop news and trends. So let's get it started. 1. The official fan club name is ENGENE. 2. Their debut date was November 30th, 2020 with their mini-album Border, Day 1. 3. Their lightstick was first teased via Weverse's Twitter on November 13, 2020. 4. They announced their first comeback on April 5, 2021. 5. They became a million seller on June 10, 2021. 6. They made their first Japanese comeback on July 6, 2021. 7. ENHYPEN released their first studio album Dimension, Dilemma on October 12, 2021 and its repackage, Dimension, Answer, on January 10, 2022. 8. Unlike most other idol groups, the members in ENHYPEN do not have any official positions aside from the position of the leader. The purpose for this is to show that all the members have potential to fulfill any position at a high quality and to keep improving. 1. Please subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Comment below which video you wish us to do next and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.